What is up mga guys? Welcome to my channel and you are watching Rem's Vlog. So welcome again to my channel mga koys. In today's video mga koys, meron na naman tayong item na i-unbox mga koys. Yes mga koys, meron naman tayong item na i-unbox mga koys. Yung item na i-unbox natin mga koys, it's actually a Bluetooth speaker mga koys. This one. So this is the Wiresto Bluetooth speaker. I bought this from Shopee in a very affordable price. And kung gusto mo ding bumili ng Bluetooth speaker na to, I will give the link in the description below. So check that out mga kuys. But before you continue to watch this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell button mga kuys for more of my upcoming videos to my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! So, buksan na natin siya mga kuys. So, eto siya mga kuys. Yan. Wiresto. Yung name niya, Bonks. Bonks. Yan. May UP siya dito. Yan. Anyways. You have your speaker itself. There you go. You have your USB charging cord. USB charging cord, and you have your manual. And for the speaker, ito na siya. There you go. Yan siya mga boys. Bonks yung tatak niya yan. So sa speaker, meron siyang mode, volume down, volume up, pause and play button, and then the power. This one is the power. And sa speaker niya mga boys, yung speaker niya is nandito sa ilalim. Wala siya dito. Yung kadalasan ng mga speaker is nandito sa ibabaw. Pero ito, dito siya sa ilalim. Ayan. Plastic lang to mga boys. Yes, plastic lang to mga boys. Parang rubber siya tingnan, pero plastic lang yan. Yes, plastic. Tsaka ito, plastic din. Kala ko rubber, plastic din. Tsaka dito, SD card, charging port, micro USB charging port, and yun na. So ayun, test natin yung sound quality ng speaker na to, the Wiresto Bonks. So try natin i-on. Try natin i-connect sa phone natin. Yung name niya is Q33. Yan. Chinese pa rin yung tinig niya na maririnig mo sa speaker na to pag nag-connect ka ng Bluetooth speaker through phone.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way. Closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith. I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you.
So that is the Wiresto Bonks Bluetooth speaker mga kuys. Actually, it is the basic version. I ordered the basic version mga kuys, which is the 1200 milliampere of battery mga kuys. They have also the premium version, which is the built-in battery is 2000 milliampere battery that lasts up to 16 hours mga kuys. Yes, And for the 1200 milliampere of battery mga kuys, it says here na it lasts up to 10 hours. 10 hours mga kuys. So that's pretty much it mga kuys for this speaker. It's a very affordable Bluetooth speaker na makikita mo sa Shopee nowadays. It's one of the cheapest, very affordable. And sa bass niya mga kuys, okay na okay. Yung quality ng sound niya, yung press niya mga kuys, okay na okay para sa akin. Hindi ko pa siya na-try ng outdoor, but yes, you will try it if you will buy this product. So, ayan mga kuys. So, sa presyong 529 pesos mga kuys, sulit na talaga tong wireless speaker na to mga kuys. The Wiresto Bonks Bluetooth wireless speaker mga kuys. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung video ko. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video and hit the notification bell button for more of my upcoming videos mga kuys. Once again, this is Rem's Vlog. See you in my next vlog. Ciao!